So I was thinking of doing another like tag question video. So I was looking up ones to do and I decided to Google it instead of just looking on YouTube, and I came across ridiculous TMI tag questions no one ever asks. So that's what I'm doing today. There's 100 of them. I'm not gonna do 100, but I'll answer the ones that I feel okay to share. All right, are you like your zodiac sign suggests that you should be? I'm a Leo. My birthday is August 8th. I'll be 37 this year. And as far as I know, Leos should be show-stopping big mouths, and I'm pretty sure I am. At what age did you have your first sexual experience? What does that even mean? What's a sexual, like a kiss? Actually, that's the next question. At what age did you have your first kiss? I'll answer that because it's more straightforward. My first kiss, I feel like I was 11 or 12. I remember where it was too. No, I don't remember where it was, but I remember who it was. It was a boy named Kyle, and I thought it was the grossest thing ever because he used his tongue. At what age did you have your first crush? Who was it? I do remember this. Okay, my first crush, his name was Bo Eric, and I'm pretty sure it was like first grade, and he was a really sweet kid, and I'm pretty sure I'm friends with him on Facebook now, which is weird because he went to a school that I was only at for like a year or two, and then we moved and I never saw or spoke to him again. But Facebook somehow like found him and he found me and he's like, hey, I think we were in school together, like at Harris Elementary School. And I was like, oh my God. And I told him, I was like, you were like my first crush. And he was like, oh my God, that's so funny. And I'm pretty sure we were like, I don't know, how old are you when you were in first or second grade? Anyway, what's the best compliment you ever received? I don't fucking know. Do you hate anyone right now? I don't think so. No, I'm sure I would know, right? Would I know? Let me think about it. Do you have any tattoos? If yes, what do they mean? I have 8 tattoos, I think. They're all words and they're all quotes from my favorite books. I don't have any pictures. Do you miss anyone right now? I mean, I miss people who have passed away. I miss my dad. I miss my grandma. I miss my friend Mark. I miss people who've passed away. Do you smoke? No. I smoked from the age of about 14 to about 32. Yeah, a long time I smoked. To your knowledge, have you ever been cheated on? Fuck, I'm sure yes, I know I've been cheated on. Have you ever been in a physical fight? Oddly enough, no, because I have absolutely deserved it. I would have wanted to kick my ass a million times, but oddly enough, I've never been in a physical fight. Have you ever been in a relationship? Yes, I'm married. Have you ever been in love? Yes, I'm married. Have you ever been loved by someone you didn't love back? Of course. Oh, I have a funny story. So the guy I dated before my husband, so we dated for about 3 months. Really nice guy, but very strange. So we just kind of hung out on weekends and stuff, and I guess in a way he was kind of my rebound from my ex-husband. And he was just like a guy who I just hung out and had fun with. And almost every time we hung out, he would reassure me that we weren't boyfriend and girlfriend. And I was like, all right, dude, like chill out. Like, I'm still fucking married. Like, I know we're not boyfriend girlfriend. Have I led you to believe that I think we are? And he's like, no, I'm just, I just want to make it clear. I was like, okay. And he would always say this to me. And I'm like, dude, I understand. After a while, I'm like, all right, I get it. You don't have to keep saying this to me. He's like, oh, okay, I just wanted to let you know. I'm like, okay, I get it. Well, finally, when I ended up breaking things off and started dating my now husband, like officially, I said to him, I was like, hey, I'm like, I have a lot of stuff going on. Like, I just, we're probably not gonna see each other that much anymore. He's like, no. I'm like, what? And he's like, no. I'm like, what do you mean no? And he's like, no, we're not breaking up. I'm like, what do you mean we were never going out? According to you, we were never going out. He's like, whatever, you're still my girlfriend. Click. And I haven't talked to him since. So I'm pretty sure we're still dating. Have you ever catfished anyone? What does that mean? Have you ever danced without leaving room for Jesus? God, no. Have you ever dated someone you met online? I met my husband online. Have you ever had a crush on a teacher? Yes. And oddly enough, I ended up seeing him at a bar like years later, and it was kind of creepy actually. Because the next like 10 questions are kind of really stupid. Have you ever kissed someone below the belt? What? Are we gonna play light as a feather fucking next? What do you weigh? Like 165, I think. And I'm 5'2", so I'm kind of a chunker. Oh, that was the next question. How tall are you? If applicable, when did you lose your virginity? I think I was like 14 or 15. I left my virginity. I left my virginity behind back in, I don't know what year that was. Anyway. I actually, okay. If you could bring a person back from the dead, who would you bring back? This question is going to make me sad, and hopefully I won't cry, but okay. In 2001, I was watching my friend's baby, Cooper. He was 3 months old, and he died in his sleep at my house. I would bring him back. Now it goes into Disney. Mention a movie that always makes you cry. God, like anything about the Holocaust. Schindler's List. Is it called It's a Beautiful Life? No. Life is Beautiful, that's what it is. Anything about the Holocaust or anything where children die. Oh, God, it's just, yeah. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, how horny are you? Negative fucking 5. What's the scariest thing you've ever experienced? Go back a few questions. What's the color of your underwear right now? Pink. Oh, what do you think about the most? Like money troubles, getting things done, adulting fucking things. Being a grown-up's the worst. What's your sexiest feature? Shut up. What's a disgusting habit you have? Maybe like that I don't know, maybe my shamelessness about not thinking things are disgusting and talking about them anyway. What's a relationship deal breaker for you? Cheating, obviously, like as far as like a romantic relationship. For a friend relationship, I mean, if you're shit talking me behind my back, that's a deal breaker. What is a weird thing that you love? Well, that's generic. I don't even know. I don't have the time to think about it. Mention something that makes you happy. Makeup makes me pretty fucking happy. Mention something that makes you sad. Memories. What's the longest you've ever gone without a shower? 3 days, maybe? 4, maybe? What's the major physical trait you look for in a partner? Height. Like, you have to be much taller than me. I'm 5'2". You need to make me feel small. Although, I mean, who's kidding who? Everybody makes me feel small. What's the worst gift you've ever given? Where do I start? What's your biggest fear? Drowning or choking? Anything where air is cut off, personally, is a biggest fear. And another, like, mentally biggest fear is one of my children dying. Yeah. What's your favorite holiday destination? What? Does that mean, like, where do you want to go on vacation? I don't know what that means. What's your relationship with your parents like? My relationship with my mom is pretty good. My dad passed away a few years ago, so I don't have one anymore with him. Since he's passed away though, my relationship with my mom hasn't, she's starting to date again, so I guess our relationship isn't, she deserves to be happy. I mean, she's moving on, but I guess in that sense, I haven't moved on, so I feel like we aren't as close as we used to be, I guess in a nutshell. Have you ever had a pregnancy scare? I just fucking did. And yes, I was very scared. What was the last text you sent? Oh, my husband texted me at it's 3 o'clock. My husband texted me at 2:30 and said, I love you. I said, I love you too. And I said, you, not the band. They're just okay. Who is your celebrity crush? I have to say like David Beckham probably. Who's your favorite fictional couple? Have you ever sent a sexually explicit text? Yeah. Have you ever used marijuana? Have you ever been arrested? Nope. Have you ever been convicted of a crime? No. And that's that. So if there are any more TMI questions you guys want to know, I'll save it for another video. Make sure you leave me any comments or TMI answers of your own in the box below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.